Pero pinatay mo.
Bali, yan po yung way nila to forecast the weather. Because in the forest po, there's no electricity. Bali, pag may nakita po silang dragonfly that's swarming in the air, yun po yung indication na magpapalit na po ng weather. Or there's a typhoon or a rainy season po is about to come. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si Kuya Joel for that. And actually po, they're using real bow and arrow, yung ating pana or palaso. Ayan, bale, bago po nila ipadala sa isang tribal war ang isang item, bale, pinaperform po nila yan to as a peace or guidance from their gods.